Hello everyone and welcome to the Crash Test channel. The 2025 Audi A5 stood out for its safety performance during Euro NCAP crash tests. In the frontal offset test, the passenger compartment remained stable with good protection for knees and femurs of the front occupants. Audi demonstrated consistent protection for a variety of occupant sizes and seating positions. While chest protection for the driver and rear passenger was rated as marginal in both the full-width rigid barrier and side pole impact tests, other critical areas received good or adequate ratings. The side barrier test earned the A5 maximum points, reflecting excellent side impact safety. Adequate control of excursion and occupant-to-occupant injury mitigation measures rounded out its safety features. The A5's airbag system performed well, ensuring strong protection for the front occupants. Whiplash protection was rated good for both front and rear seats. With an advanced e-call system and secondary impact prevention measures, the A5 also demonstrated functionality of doors and windows during submersion. Which vehicle should we review next? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.